Hey guys, so quickly, I want to show you guys how this works. I just want to show you guys how this whole thing works. So ClickFunnels is an affiliate program, okay, which allows you to build a 5, 6, or 7-figure business, okay? ClickFunnels is popular because it allows you to not only build your business, but also have a membership site, also have capture pages and landing pages, webinar pages, and capturing leads. And inside of ClickFunnels, it's all of these products. So it's over, I don't even know how many products is in here, but there's a lot of products also too within ClickFunnels. They have books, they have membership sites, they have monthly payments, so that you can get monthly reoccurring payments, not just from you recruiting, but from their products. So they got instant traffic, they got the .com secret book, they got the expert secret book, they got all of these things in here. Funnel Friday, the 2 Comma Club. So if people decide that they want to go through you, right, they can actually get all this stuff within ClickFunnels. So here's some of the products. And even if you don't have a business, you could get in and promote ClickFunnels and make literally 6 figures just with ClickFunnels alone. So these are some of the products that's in here. So I've been with ClickFunnels, I don't know, I think 3 years. So part-time, this is what I've been able to generate passively. Okay, this is what I've been able to generate passively so far within ClickFunnels. And these are just some of the payments that came through today and yesterday and a couple of other days. So this is a passive income stream. It's $97 a month, okay? And you can promote over, I think it's 20 different products in here. Plus, you can build your business. Plus, you can build funnels. Plus, you can drive traffic. It's a whole marketing system in one. Plus, it gives you training on how to drive traffic. Plus, it gives you training on how to set up a sales funnel and a marketing funnel and a lead page and a webinar page. And they also have payments. So if you've been struggling to find a payment system, they also have a payment system inside where it's like a one-stop shop for your ClickFunnels, literally. Okay, it's like a one-stop shop, guys, for your ClickFunnels. Amazing, right? One-stop shop, guys, for your ClickFunnels. This is how this thing works. One-stop shop, guys, for your ClickFunnels, your marketing, your sales, your membership site. You want to upload videos to there. You can do interviews on there. You can do a podcast on there. This is an all-in-one. Okay, I think this business, ClickFunnels alone, had generated, I think, 100 million or something like that in the last 10 years, even though ClickFunnels been around, I think, less than 5 years maybe. But I love it. I got, people on. I got a ton of people. Obviously, if I made 15 grand, I got some people into it. You guys, if you're struggling to build a business, I can guarantee you don't have a sales funnel. I can guarantee you that you don't have a way to get affiliate commissions to also refer your team and your friends also to the platform. So click on the link. It's a 14-day free trial. Okay, you can get a 14-day free trial doing this. I also have a class called How to Make Money Online. It's $97. I show you how to promote the free book. So it's a free book inside of here called The Expert Secrets. Okay, so I show you how to promote the free book with inside of ClickFunnels on Instagram. It's $97. Then you get ClickFunnels, which is the 14-day free trial. Then you pay $97 a month. So the course is $97 and then $97 a month. Okay, so I promote a free book. Right here, I promote a free book, okay, and people get the free book, and ClickFunnels upsell them to whatever they want to get or whatever they want to get involved with, and I just make the money. I just refer people for free and make money. So that's ClickFunnels' whole model, to have the 14-day free trial so people can test it out, so you can see if this is what you truly, 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 truly want, guys. So click on the link below. Go to paidliketanisha.com.